Abortion rights and gun control activists are traveling the country calling for Congress to reform the U.S. Supreme Court.
Congresswoman Cori Bush joined the bus tour as it stopped in downtown St. Louis today. Our political editor, Mark Maxwell, has more on her calls to pack the court. Mark.
And Mike, even before the Supreme Court reversed Roe v. Wade or signaled it might roll back other rights, progressives have long been calling to expand the size of the court to reshape that balance on the bench. New reporting, though, revealing secretive payments and gifts from donors to justices and their families has reinvigorated those calls.
This iconic American landmark in the St. Louis skyline stands as a reminder that the Supreme Court doesn't always get it right.
St. Louis and the state of Missouri are witnesses to the importance of the courts in the continued fight for justice.
St. Louis native Brittany Packnett Cunningham joined Congresswoman Cori Bush on the Just Majority bus tour, calling to expand the Supreme Court from 9 to 13 justices.
When the opponents don't play by the rules, we have no choice but to change the game.
It is a cesspool of corruption and misconduct.
Bush seized on recent reports of ultra-wealthy GOP donors showering Justice Clarence Thomas and his family with lavish vacations, real estate deals, private school tuition, and concealing more than $500,000 in payments the Heritage Foundation made to his wife, Ginny Thomas.
Every week, it seems more ethical violations by the justices are revealed. How can any person in this country have any confidence in the people who sit on the highest court in the land? The current Supreme Court is a lawless institution that is a danger to our democracy, and it is time for Congress to act.
Thomas has since updated his paperwork to disclose the vacations and real estate deal with Harlan Crow. Conservatives have defended the decision not to disclose those gifts because they were, quote, personal friends.
Do you really think Clarence Thomas would be getting this treatment if he wasn't sitting on the Supreme Court?
So I think the question is what he's doing, is what he's alleged to have done, has any of that violated the law? Has any of it violated any ethics laws? Has it violated any reporting requirements? And the answer, as far as I can tell, to all those is no.
Have you seen any evidence that any of the justices broke the law?
We will see as it goes further.
President Biden has said he does not support packing the Supreme Court, even reaffirmed that position after the court rolled back abortion access.